Can we change our free gift on Temu? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can change our free gift on Temu or not. So let's just dive right into the video. So first thing is you can go over to Temu app, and once you are here, if you have any gift, anything given by the Temu application, in order to change those gifts, or unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be a way to change a free gift on Temu once it has been selected through the application. However, you can earn other free gifts by opening daily gift boxes and entering giveaways. So for that, when you head over to the U tab on your screen, you should be finding different offers on your screen if you have any. For example, let's head over to messages section. If you go over here, right now we have these gifts available given by Temu. So you can just go ahead and scroll, open the boxes to earn the deals, promos, and account credit. And you can also visit Temu free items and giveaway pages on the Temu website given. And you can just go ahead and purchase a new gift instead. So for now, you can just go ahead and do this. So that is how we do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.